Bird Thing by Sara Stiffler. Setting. We are in the living room of a middle-aged couple and their 15-year-old daughter. The room is empty, save for a large reclining chair. The room feels barren, devoid of life. At rise, daughter, who enters the room from the bedroom hallway without purpose. She touches the back of the empty recliner. Father enters, shaking his head.
Your mother used the D word again.
That's okay, Daddy. I'm not sure why you stay with her anyway.
Why is he still here? I told him to get out.
Why does he have to be the one to move out if you want the divorce so badly?
I have that bird thing to do. I don't have time.
What bird thing?
Where's my wallet?
Why do you have to do these things?
He's not your real dad.
What is wrong with you? Why would you say something like that? He's been my dad since I was born.
He's not the man I had sex with when I got pregnant with you. He and I had lots of sex.
Mom!
Don't be a prude. You know how babies are made.
I just don't need to picture it. Plus, I don't believe you. Dad is my father.
Think what you will, but we had a lot of sex. We have a lot of sex too. Why else do you think he stays?
Sex can't be that good. I love you, Daddy. If Mommy ever does kick you out for real, I'm going to live with you.
Make sure that she doesn't pack my things up while I'm at work and leave them on the curb.
She won't, Daddy. She has a bird thing.
You wouldn't really leave me to live with your father, would you?
I guess that's up to Daddy, isn't it? As long as he's willing to stay with you, you'll never know. Now, what's this bird thing you want to go to?
It's not for you. You wouldn't understand.
I like birds.
Not these birds. Didn't you have somewhere to be right now?
Fine. Whatever.
Oh, you get that? No one ever comes to visit me.
Why? Who might you be, young lady?
He's creepy, Mommy. He must be here for you.
Rosalie, is that you, sweetheart?
Mama, who is this man and how does he know your name?
Pardon my manners, young lady. I'm an old friend of your mother's. What's it been, Rosalie? 16 years?
16 years? No, this can't be happening.
Still beautiful as always.
You have some nerve coming here after all these years.
I'm strong-willed. I always did love that about you.
What on earth are you doing here?
A little birdie told me you were thinking about me.
Was always my favorite color.
I remember.
No! Stop that. I'm telling Daddy, my real Daddy.
Now, young lady, your mother and I have an arrangement. This all started long before you were born.
Oh, I don't want to hear about it.
It's quite a story about how we became lovers.
No.
There was a red bird flying around the neighborhood where I was walking one day. The bird landed on a small balcony. When I looked up, there she was, your future mother, standing beside the bird.
I put my finger out to the bird and it jumped right onto it.
I gasped with delight. This exquisite woman looked at the bird, then down at me. The bird took flight and landed on my head. She laughed. I took a bow, and the bird hopped around on top of my head. I looked at Rosalie's delightful smile and realized at that moment I wanted to spend the rest of my life with that beautiful woman.
Her? But What? You didn't spend the rest of your life with her, with us.
But didn't I?
Dad?
Ta-da!
Is this some kind of sick joke?
Oh, honey.
I told you she wouldn't get it.
You planned this together? Oh, no wonder you stay with her. You're both out of your minds.
What are you going to do with that?
It's a bird thing. I have to not be here now. I'm so going to have an effed up love life because of you two.
We love you, sweetie.
I love you too, Daddy. I don't know why.
Can we still do this without the bird?
I can't.
Ah!